15 on fools, I spent that on my coat. Finna grab a chunky ass cube and I don't fuck with ropes. I ain't stingy with my bitches, I put them on the floor. The windows don't roll down on this whip, I'm shooting out the door. 5 for a show, I ain't coming if it ain't for show. Just a chopper, but I promise this bitch ain't for show. Smack my nigga in his head, he try to wipe for hoe. No, you ain't sick, check your temp, cause we wipe your nose. Bitch, yeah, really on that. Stop being fake on tip if you ain't really on that. If I break with my bitch, then I'm mad and all the hoes back. If I stop this rap shit, then I'm back up in that one bag.
Bro got Glock on him, he ready to shoot shit like for show mad. On IG, just post my new bitch, got my hoes. See a nigga on YouTube sounding like me, that's my old bag. I've been trapping for so long, bitch, I'm still counting old cash. 10 ball on a nigga head, get him toe tag. Nigga cap so much in his rap, she got a gold hat. My brother said a nigga touch grams, he give a soul tap. I just text his head, 100 bitch, I want my soul back. Spend some bands in OSS.
So what's up? We back with it. We at the legal pit for Halloween. Well, not Halloween.
Hold
but
on,
it's like...
restart.
What's up with it? We back with another video, bro. We back Halloween. This nigga. Halloween, kind of. It's what, Sunday? The Sunday after Halloween?
Yep.
Halloween was Friday night. So
Yep.
we at the legal pit Sunday night. Sunday fun day? Sunday fun day? Bet. We at the legal pit. Got Paper Rock Alex. What's up with it?
What's up, bro?
You spin your shit a little bit?
Yeah, I already spun like 2 times.
What's up with it, Laura? Hello. My group right there. Huh? Yeah, that nigga was about to, bro, I was about to get smacked. What the fuck?
Y'all one got smacked or what?
You didn't see me come in? I came in and bro started spinning like right as I was here. Yeah, that was me right there.
That was he just got his paper out spinner.
Bro. Oh yeah? What's up with it? What's up, what's up? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ew. Nah. What's up with it?
Hello, dude. What you been up to?
Chillin', bro, chillin', bro. Where the fuck where'd Brooke go? She go back to the car?
He never came out.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
You didn't open my door.
Nigga.
You just left me.
My bad.
You just left me, baby.
Whoops.
Why you do that to me?
Sorry, baby. Damn. G8. Man, they're on top of it. eat it, bro.
What about boogers?
That boy about to blow. That boy about to blow.
Why is this sparking?
He's down to the wires. It's about to blow up.
They said they weren't flopping around.
So are you gonna do it?
Bro.
Nice. Get a roll back.
That was no bueno. No bueno, bro. Huh?
They liked it.
Oh, yeah. see a cam. Oh shit, my bad, too close.
Is it oily? Oil.
Look at this. Who's this? Who's this boy? Little black boy right here. Shit, bro, my bad. Too close. Yeah, that air is cold. The smoke. Damn. Pop a tire? What's going on, Paper Alex? Chillin'?
That's how you going crazy,
Bro, that shit was so bad. I kept spinning out, bro. I couldn't keep it. Like, I kept it second time around and then I just lost it.
Are you gonna try to do figure eight?
Fuck no. Oh shit.
Damn, right when I got it.
Oh shit.
Recording?
Yes.
He's moving my
yeah.
car. What a gentleman.
Just got back from the legal pit. Go check out these tires right quick. See if I got some left, bro. Looks promising. Hold on, let me get my phone. Oh yeah, we're still good for a little bit, I guess. We're not down to wire. But we're definitely gonna need some new ones soon. Shit, we'll be alright. Yeah. Alright, we out. Next time.